Hey guys, it's Reap 100 Trader here with another trading recap. This trade recap is for June 5th. But before I get into it, I just want to let you guys know I did create a Discord chat room. The link will be below in the description. It's somewhere that we can definitely talk about Polarity ATI, analytical chart 4 or 3, and just create strategies to help be profitable and also to support other people in trying to decipher this whole order flow type trading style. So here on this trade on that morning, I armed regression in both, and the reason why is because price and delta were not correlated. The one thing that really confused me was that price was moving up, but seeing that an 832 was negative 316 delta, but then an 835 seeing a negative 1500. So there's about 1500 sellers at this bar, which kind of confused me. But that's the nice thing about the Polarity ATI. It has this self-selective nature. And so it definitely went up, hit my take profit, had my 3 points, $150 right away, 6 minutes in the market. So that was a good trade. And I was happy with that, but a little confusing, but at the same time, definitely was happy with that. So as we go ahead and move on to the next trade here, it took a long time. I saw no setup, so I waited for quite some time, about almost an hour. But at this point, I seen that there was a lot of chop going on. The delta and price were not correlated, so I armed regression in both. And this trade here kind of upset me a little bit, just because, but you win some, you lose some, and that's kind of the way how trading works. But price started coming down to my take profit, and it got really close. I believe it was about 3 ticks away from filling. And so, but the one thing that really kind of confused me was that I saw a lot of buying in the area, and also this derived zone here. So this derived zone really got me going, because I know a lot of things that I've been watching, a lot of videos, is that, if the price closed above it really strong, it can definitely change your way of thinking. But at the same time, I believe that in regression was the right choice here, even though I lost this trade. But price definitely got really close, almost hit my take profit, and then went straight back up and took me out. So I was definitely at this point a little frustrated, but at the same time, I remembered to not go on tilt, because we can always live and trade another day. But since I lost one and won one, I definitely can take another trade, because my rules are, if I lose 2, I stop. If I win 2, I stop. So I've only lost 1 and won 1. So I went and tried to look for another trade. Here, I seen that price was moving up, delta was increasing, so I armed long in trend. It filled me immediately, but seeing that the price went up but quickly shot down kind of scared me a little bit, not gonna lie. And this trade took 10 minutes, and I end up losing the trade. Now, it took every ounce of my emotion to stay in this trade, because I just wanted to be done, but it took 10 minutes. But eventually it took me out, and I was negative 150 minus commissions, which is fine. It is what it is. Live to trade another day. So I marked it onto the books on the Excel sheet format, so I can keep track of my trades. But that was it. I was done for the day. Discord link down below in the description. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. Have a good one.